Is that your new sticker box? What have you decided to start doing with it now? Oh. You gonna pick up all the stickers that fall off? What's Sawyer doing? You riding the box? Like a cowboy? Are you a cowboy? Boom! No. Pick them up. Sawyer. Sawyer. Do you want them to go bye-bye? I wouldn't mind. Uh-oh, pick them up. Put them back. You feel good about that? That would be a good place to measure your height.
Yeah, we do.
It could be right there.
Hi.
Hi. Sawyer was bad. Look at all this stuff. What on earth?
I think you're going to sleep really good tonight, kid. I think you better sleep really good tonight, kid.
I think he's tired.
Are you tired? Sawyer, are you tired? Do you want to go to bed? Do you want to take a nap? Do you want to go night-night?
That's what I've been waiting for the whole time. Sawyer thinks he can jump out and lands right in his head. Don't know why that's fun for him.
Better than him.